Hello, everybody, and welcome. As I like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Don't know if it looks any better this week. I got a new computer, so hopefully the graphics look better. It does to me. So here we are. So this is the S&P 500 last couple of weeks. You can see it's been shooting to the moon. We appear to be at all-time highs, which means volatility is obviously super low, all the way down here at 14. Also listed here on this platform at 14. If we go to the Qs, you can see fairly similar story, not quite as big a move as S&P 500, still not at its all-time highs, but pretty much near there, almost the same. Volatility even lower here in the NASDAQ. And then, of course, the Russell, which always looks a little bit different, is right here, obviously nowhere near its all-time highs, which means nothing as far as volatility. It's also, since it's been going up for the last couple weeks, volatility has dropped there too, but it's nowhere near its highs. So what are we going to trade this week? Well, we've been doing the BOGES scenario, as I mentioned before, and what that is the bonds, oil, gold, SPY, or just indices in general. This is where I get like my BOGES. It also includes the euro as the E, but the euro is so hard to trade, I don't really put it in here, but it's part of it. If it's tradable, I'd put it in there, but for now it's not. So we've done gold so far this year. We've done the SPY. So it's time to get into oil. And the best trading platform for oil is XLE. There's a few of them. I'm going to show you all three of them real quick. XOP is one of the oils. They're all going to look fairly similar. You can see it's been straight up, but volatility in this is way down here at 16. Again, fairly mid-range. The other one is USO, which is actually oil itself. Looks a little bit different. That went on a huge run, came back down, but again, volatility is very low, down at 12.13. And the last one is XLE, which is the energy ETF, which is kind of mainly oil, but has a few other things in it as well. You can see that one seems to be in the mid-range, but the volatility is much higher. And it's also much more liquid than the other two. So I like to trade this one. So we're going to go to the trade page. I have this set up, but it's already gone. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to go sell an iron condor at, I'll put these in just while I remember them, 96. Okay, so the stock is at 91. We're going to have to move the put side a little closer in order to get our credit of 66 cents or more, which I've already done. So we're going essentially $4 down on the put side, $5 up on the call side, creating this $2 wide iron condor. And as long as we collect at least 66 cents or more on this trade, we are good to go. So, oh, sorry, this is also in the 54-day option expiration cycle, which will be 53 tomorrow when the market opens. So, tomorrow, when XLE opens, assuming nothing has changed and it opens right here, we're going to go $4 down on the put side, $5 up on the call side, create a $2 wide iron condor. As long as we collect 66 cents or more, this is a valid trade. If we don't collect enough, we're going to start moving the sides in. So if we believe that there's a better chance it's going to go up from here, we're going to move this to 88.86. If we believe there's a better chance it's going to go down from here, we'd move this to 95.97, basically bringing the sides closer, meaning we want it to move the other direction. But for now, this fits the rules, and this is our trade for tomorrow in XLE, or essentially oil. Hello everybody, Cal here with an ancient Chinese proverb which I'm sure you have all heard before. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Why am I telling you this? Because most services out there just give you a fish. They tell you, oh, make this trade, I made this much money, I made millions of dollars, do this, do this, do this. That's not my goal. My goal is to teach you to fish for a lifetime. I want to teach you the skill of trading so you can go out and make as much money as you want to on your own. And the best way I've come about to do that, at least for me, is to basically set up an alert system where you can watch me trade in real time. You'll get texts or emails directly to you in real time of the trades I make every week. I do 2 to 3 trades a week, so it's going to tell you everything you need to know about the trade. Why I did it, how I did it, what I did as far as specifics, And then you're also going to get the closing alerts when I close them for the maximum profit potential on these trades. Like, how do I close these trades? Why do I close them? To get the best profit potential over time. And I want you to do it without any risk, which is why I've set this up for $1 for the first month. You'll get my option income alerts for the first month for only $1, and you can cancel anytime, so there's no risk on this one. You're risking $1 to see if you can turn that knowledge or learn to fish. You'll use this code, make B1. If you want more, we have the option pro alert, which is the exact same alert, but it also gives you access to every course and webinar I've ever made. It's a 13 course bundle, obviously thousands of dollars in knowledge. Again, you can do this using this code, and this is only $19 for the first month. And again, you can cancel this one at any time. So again, a risk-free attempt to learn and see if it's something you want to do. Here they are right here. If you want to go do it, you can go to sharpertrades.com, go to the products page. These two will pop up. You can type in these codes down here, or you can just go directly to this link right here and it'll build the code in itself, or the attachment I have at Udemy along with this little video. So again, my goal is to teach you to fish. I can't think of a better way to do that than to trade side by side with me in real time. Hopefully you jump on this opportunity. Hope to see you soon. Take care.